From the New York Post, meet your Chinese Facebook censors. In this, Sohrab Amari writes, China is one of the most human beings, and they're knocking dominoes over, not realizing what they're building around them. And it's getting scarier.
The domino goes all the way back.
Just to get it, I mean, the Gravel Institute was very, very far left. Yeah, put out a video recently criticizing the tech giants for their control over information.
Why should we be concerned about your fears of the pandemic when you are rejecting efforts to produce a vaccine? Because the orange man is bad. Here she is. Same is true for me. It's funny because there have been some people, this guy I won't name, commented on my Instagram and he said, I can't wait till Trump loses so that you go away. And I find it funny because I'm like...
money someplace, but he has this thing about living in a basement. People can't do that. By the way, I, as the president, couldn't do that. I'd love to put my...
U.S. warning to international banks about violating U.S. sanctions on Hong Kong. I don't get it. It's like an interactive computer service shall be treated as the publisher or speaker of any information provided by another information content provider, which is like the individual. Bigger than Vice. Really amazing. Now, I guess when you consider their websites, they claim to have like 340 million, views per month, which is essentially higher than mine, but that's...
Manual recording will now...
Talking about Indian country is like trying to explain a joke that nobody got. It's in country is just in country now.
What the fuck are you doing? This is not a three-way stop!
What's actually going on here? If you promote illegal immigration, you are promoting human suffering.
Free RCA from its owners. Buying Victor was part of that strategy, as it would suddenly give them loads of manufacturing capabilities to make it on their own. And in a sort of...
We can finally put Dave Chappelle's theory to the test. Black people across the country are arming up. So I want every single person, not just blacks, but everyone in this country, especially...
should suggest Republicans are going to get a huge boost. We have not seen all the
someone lost their boxes.
Be recycled. Your only chance to evacuate is to leave with us.
Care anymore. I'm so sick of these people. So you know what? Listen, I'm not going to do anything to try to get them.
Apart from all the castrations, the cult had also started producing videos that they shared on their own website. And one of the
cult will grow out of control into authoritarian despotism, fascism, or communism, or whatever authoritarian system would take its place.
If you put pictures of you smoking crack and doing other terrible things on a laptop, would you just leave it at a repair shop somewhere?
It's worse than guys. It's worse. It's
Manual
worse.
recording will now
It's
start.
So
This is so exciting.
From SFG
voters. So many people have said that Biden is going to win.
That's someone doing a 3-point turn back there.
Sprites, so I can have a large number of them without using up too many sprites for the guests. They have a very long queue line so that they can store a large number of guests.
Manual.
You too, huh? Okay, this is all garbage. You're trying to act deep. You're not. I'm leaving. Congratulations, end of Act 1.
In any speed. And it's almost a century old. But the fact that these modern fan controls always kick the fan on high from the with a motor on the grid, I should silence that shit.
It's another person doing a 3-point turn.
Anyway,
right here.
Back.
Ow.